हेलो दोस्तों, नमस्कार। एच जी सुभाष इंग्लिश चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। टुडे इज ऑफ टॉपिक हाउ टू लर्न इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज या हाउ टू स्टार्ट इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग। सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, इफ यू वांट टू स्टार्ट इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग, इफ यू वांट टू स्पीक एंड कॉन्फिडेंटली, so first of all thing you will have to need answer listening and speaking and writing reading. There are 4 tips is very most important for everyone learn English language. If you want to learn English language, then you can do command in 4 tips: listening, reading, writing, speaking. That is the very most important, just 4 tips. If you do try English speaking, then you can do start English speaking one day. But if you don't try and today if you don't try if you don't try today, then you cannot learn English language. So first of all thing, my dear student, you will have to need and practice. If you do practice, if you do try to speak English, then you can do start English speaking without fear, without keep and fear, without a fear. You can start English speaking. So thanks for watching my video guys. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, जब तक के लिए धन्यवाद।